Thank you so much to my new subscribers. Good morning, good morning, good morning. As I was getting ready for work this morning, a thought came to me. I remember a time when I would not wear a wrap dress. And that's because I thought it was too revealing. And I don't mean that my cleavage or it was too short, but that my figure was revealing more than I thought it should. But my sister said, "Girl, go ahead and get that dress. It looks so good on you." I bought it and I returned it. There's always been certain things that were not appropriate for me to wear. Now, I'll wear a wrap dress now. I just had to grow into it. Today, I got dressed and I felt like this was not an appropriate outfit. I mean, I wouldn't wear it out anywhere. But I'm going to wear it today because I'm working from home and I'll be sitting down behind my computer. But I'm going to show you what I would do if I had to go out. As a matter of fact, I'm going to show you a few things from my closet that I can add to this outfit to make it what I call appropriate for me. I am 61 years old. So there's some things I've learned in life. There's some things I'll do and some things I won't do. Some things I won't do, it may be appropriate for me, but I still won't do it because it might lead someone else in the wrong direction. What I want you to do right now, after I get my hair done, of course, is to watch the video and see what I feel is appropriate. I'm going to also show you my outfit that's not appropriate. So just keep on watching. This will be real quick. This is me doing my hair this morning. This is what Sisterlocks have afforded me. You guys, and my hair is done. So let's watch the video. Okay, great. I could have shown you many more jackets or sweaters or tops that I could wear over this outfit, because I am a jacket person. More jacket than sweaters. Now you see what I mean when I talk about what I feel is appropriate and not appropriate. Now if the jacket is a little bit too short, like some of the jackets that I had on, I would only wear that with this outfit if my husband were with me. A long time ago when I was a little girl, I heard a message. And the title of the message was, "What are you advertising?" And I think that stuck with me and all the lessons that my mother taught me. Now, my mother herself was a fashionista. And so she made sure that we were always dressed well. But she always spoke of what was appropriate. And I think that what I'm doing is that I am living according to the legacy that she left. And I'm just trying to keep her legacy alive. What's good for you may not be good for me. But what's good for me may not be good for you. But I'm a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends and my family. I love my subscribers. I love my followers. And I especially love God. And thank you so much to my new subscribers for helping me build this channel. Thank you so much. I love you all. Have a great day.